Oh, hello. Thanks for watching. This is about growing roses.
Why do I believe that a garden that has no roses is not a garden? It's not a complete garden. Now, we're in September and my garden never fails to give me a bloom of color with some beautiful roses, some soft petals. Two beautiful roses. It's so soft, it's so scented, smells good. And I thought I'd just capture this before the rain falls. And I think it's gonna be the only one on the tree. This is a 35-year-old rose tree. And I mean it, it is that old. And I've had it from I moved to London. And honestly, every year I get a full color and a full bloom of yellow, nice scented rose. Isn't this beautiful? Have a look. That's the most beautiful and it's my favorite color. But the trick is, guys, and I think everyone should know that, is that when the flowers dried off, just take them off and it sends young ones up. Because if you look, you can see that there's another one coming here. There's a few flowers is bursting out because what I did was take off the old flowers so it can get to put the energy back into this plant. And as I said, it is old and battered. You can tell it is very old, but it never fails. It just never fails. And there's more coming up over this side here. There's another one here. Look at that. And you smell that? It smells beautiful. There's little spiders, but that's part of nature. And there's another one that is going to bloom. I can, oh, it smells so nice. But look, you see when the budding, when the flowers coming out, it's red. Oh, I think I break this one. Have I? No, have I break this one? Oh God, I hope I haven't broken it. Oh yes, I think I've broken it. I'm gonna put it into a little thing with water. It's so delicate. Yeah, I've broken it. I'm gonna put it in a little water and let it opens up. You know, you can do that. So I'll have a rose in my garden, in my kitchen or inside. But yeah, it's got a lot of young ones coming out. But honestly, it is the best and oldest plant in the garden, and I can definitely tell you that it is the gem of the garden. So guys, a trick is to take all the old flowers off, just break them off, and it will give the plant more, you know, energy to bring out more flowers like that, like this one. So that's a tip. So guys, I don't feed my roses. I'm gonna be truthful. So I just leave them and they just grow and just produce flowers. Feeding, it doesn't harm it, but to be honest, I think the soil here is rich, and I think that helps to, you know, grow the plants healthy because they're getting the richness from some of the things that I plant in the garden. But yeah, you can see it has a lot of thorns, but as I pointed out, just take the deadhead your roses and you'll never be out of colors right throughout October. That's a tip for you. All right, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And this was all about roses blooming in autumn.